And 8 brothers and sisters. All my brothers were in the service, came back. Everybody's gone except me. They drafted me in the Air Force. Actually, I felt good flying airplanes. I wasn't scared, I wasn't worried, you know. But it was nice. It wasn't nice when they're shooting at you, though. Yeah. I got holes in my plane a couple of times. You're gonna shoot somebody, somebody's gonna shoot you. And I got shot up 3 times, but I wasn't close enough. So I shot 3 altogether. So I did my part. The plane I shot down was shooting an airplane in front of me. I mean, they're faster, but he was coming up to another plane. He was slowed down. They gave me an advantage. And he was concentrating on the other plane, and he didn't know I was there. This is the German airplane. This is my airplane, P-47. Found the airplane, and that's when they got a hold of me. I wasn't at the funeral, so I said, flowers. What else could you do?